What's up, everyone? I just want to flex our advisor last year. The legend himself, Sir Anthony. He's not just a teacher, he's the definition of passion and dedication. Every day, he shows up with energy, patience, and that signature smile, ready to deal with Dan Luna. And we all know that's not easy. Sir Anthony makes every lesson interesting and every challenge feel possible. He's the type of teacher who inspires you to do better, not because he forces you to, but because his passion makes you want to. He's the reason our class stayed strong, united, and motivated all year. So yeah, if there's one person who deserves a big shoutout, it's him. Tan Luna wouldn't be this awesome without the one and only Sir Anthony. The best advisor, the coolest teacher, and the heart of our section. Flex him loud and proud.